Hey, what's up guys? Jake the Great here, back for another video. And today, I am going to tell you about a game called Hurricane Outbreak. Now, Hurricane Outbreak is a game that, well, it's about hurricanes, of course. And it's made by Unity. So, I am going to show you what it's all about. Now, I already beat all the stuff. Sorry. But I could reset it. So this is how you play. As the hurricane moves, you can adjust its course with left and right turning buttons. Initially, you have a limited amount of turning ability. You can earn upgrades to increase your turning ability. The velocity and terminal velocity upgrades unlock additional speed controls which can increase the speed of the hurricane. And then if you go back, it should... wait a minute. And that's all it tells you. So, there's lots of things. Like, for instance, look at this. Drown. Flooding recedes at a slower rate. The population struggles to survive until flooding recedes completely. Let me show you me doing some realistic truth play real quick. Gonna need to move this up here. So I'm going for the vapor cloud. Now, when you first start the game, your tropical depression, it won't go any higher than 13 miles an hour. You just need to make landfall. Then you can buy an upgrade that'll say that it can that increases its wind speeds by going over water. And then after that, you can do another quest, which will get you to tropical storm. Afterward, you can get a upgrade that lets you suck up all the clouds and get bigger. It's pretty neat. There's one more. There's like a turning one, but you already saw that in the tutorial. Oh, great. There's a cloud forming right here. Whatever. Alright, bye, guys.
Who said you could be a